The cost of college tuition heading to the Arizona Supreme Court in a showdown between Attorney General Mark Brnovich and the Arizona Board of Regents. ABC 15's Jamie Warren shows us what's at stake for students and parents.
People are getting shouldered with 50, 60, all this debt, and it's unfair. It's not only unfair, we argue it's unconstitutional based on the Arizona Constitution.
Arizona's Attorney General Mark Brnovich is referring to this state statute, saying state education should be as nearly free as possible. But since 2003, tuition has gone up from roughly $2,500 for in-state residents to more than $10,000 today.
Arizona ranks #1 for public universities in tuition costs since the recession.
Executive Director of the Arizona Board of Regents, John Arnold, says that's true.
Prior to the recession, the legislature covered about 75% of a student's cost. Today, they cover about 35% of a student's cost. And so if the legislature chose to reverse that model back to where it was prior to the recession, then my guess is tuition would change as well.
He says they've asked lawmakers to reconsider, but those proposals never passed. But Brnovich says more needs to be done.
Instead, what they've done is they focus so much on these, sweetheart real estate deals that they haven't had time to figure out why tuition has gone up straight like a rocket.
If the Supreme Court rules in his favor, Brnovich says he'll be allowed to sue the board, and the case could go to trial.
They won't give us any documents. They won't let us interview anyone. And so that's what this lawsuit is designed to do.
We're a very transparent public entity. If there is any question or any piece of information the Attorney General wants to know, he should ask us.
Jamie Warren, ABC 15, Arizona.